We live in a world that fears silence, a world addicted to noise, but the greatest minds in history, they knew the truth. Real ideas, real breakthroughs, they don't come in crowded rooms. They are born in solitude. Most people think being alone means being lonely, but they're wrong. Loneliness is when you crave company. Solitude? That's when you embrace your own mind, your own thoughts, your own power. It's where clarity lives. Look at history. Einstein wasn't in a crowd when he discovered relativity. Steve Jobs didn't build Apple in a room full of distractions. Writers, artists, inventors, they all know. If you want to create something great, you have to step away. You have to be alone. Why do people fear solitude? Because when you're alone, there's nowhere to hide. No distractions, no excuses. Just you and your thoughts. And that scares people. But the truth is, that's where your greatest potential lies. Science proves it. When you're alone, your brain enters a deep thinking mode. It starts connecting ideas. It unlocks creativity you never knew you had. That's why the best ideas hit you in the shower, on a quiet walk, in the stillness of the night. Your mind needs space to think. So how do you make solitude work for you? First, embrace it. Stop running from silence. Second, use it. Reflect. Journal. Think. Third, create. Let your mind wander. Ideas flow. The answers you've been looking for? They come when you stop chasing distractions. There are two types of people: the ones who drown in the noise of the world, and the ones who step away and create something real. The difference? One stays stuck. The other moves forward. One wastes time. The other builds a future. Which one are you? If you're ready to stop running from silence and start using it to your advantage, drop A in the comments. Like this video if you agree. And if you believe in the power of solitude, subscribe now, because the best ideas come when you're alone.